Covers like a blanket through the longest night. No terror by day, no arrow at noon. He turned my loss, it's the blessing, my sorrow, the tune. Set my feet on solid, keep my name in the safe. Walking bold in the miracle, stepping out in the light. When trouble comes around, I don't fold out.
All right, so the issue is that verse says that Yahweh is one, is Ehad. Allah is not Yahweh.
Mark 12:29. I'm going to read it in context for you, so I'll read the verse right before.
We don't need you to read it. I know it better than you do.
Okay, what is it?
You just said it, the Shema. Jesus is quoting the Shema.
Okay, this is 12:28. One of the teachers of the law came and heard them debating. Noticing that Jesus had given them a good answer, he asked them, of all the commandments, which is the most important? 12:29. The most important one, answered Jesus, is this. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one.
Yahweh Eloheinu, Yahweh Ehad.
So
that's Yahweh is one.
It's Echad, right? You just said Echad.
Echad means unity. Yeah, Echad means unity.
Echad means one of one.
No, it doesn't. That's Yahid.
No.
Once again,
no.
You're bringing fiction to a fact.
My friend.
Do you know biblical Hebrew, bro?
Do you speak Hebrew?
Yeah, I know biblical Hebrew. I'm fixing to read. Okay. I'm going to show you.
Count to 10 in Hebrew.
Hang on, be quiet, bro. Golly.
Why are you so irritated?
They don't raise men in Islam?
Bro, why are you being disrespectful?
I'm not being Your prophet was disrespectful. He called me the worst of all creatures.
You are.
You should believe. You are
the worst of all creatures.
So you shouldn't expect me to be civil.
Okay, you're right. He's right. You are the worst of creatures.
So what we're going to do, folks, is we're going to go to the first place where Ehad is used in Scripture. That's going to be
Genesis 3.
Chapter 1. And we're going to let, I forgot, man, my brother Zion, he speaks Hebrew, right?
Yeah, I speak Hebrew too. I'm actually Palestinian American.
Oh, okay. All right. So give us Genesis 1:5.
I don't know. I don't believe in false doctrine. So you can read out of your book.
So you don't.
Then why are you quoting Mark if you don't believe in false doctrine?
Because we believe there is some truth to it.
Unless you're KC, mute up.
So
here it is, KC. Be quiet, because I'm on the verge of dropping you. Run your mouth,
bitch ass nigga.
A 14-year-old girl on cell phone. Okay.
You don't know the most important commandment. I had to teach y'all.
Okay, so hang on. So let's see.
Yeah, have a good one, y'all. May God have mercy on your soul. Stop worshiping a man that was thrown on a pole.
Not Allah. He's not God.
Stop worshiping a child molester.
You bitch ass nigga.
Listen,
he must go to the mosque and
listen, Jessica, when I'm talking to somebody, don't come off your mic.
I'm sorry.
All right, so we lost an opportunity to show this dude that the word Ehad and Yahid are not the same thing.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, DL, you're probably referring to Genesis 2, right?
Genesis 1, verse 5. Wa'ikra Elohim la'or yom wa'lachoshek kara la'ila wa'yahi erev wa'yahi boker yom echad. Right? So there's 4 things that are Echad. Right? Or, right?
Oh, yes, I never noticed that.
Choshek, right? La'ila.
Erev boker.
Erev, right? Boker are one. Now you're talking about husband and wife, Adam and Eve being Ehad. So the first time Ehad is used, it's a collection of 4 things. Day, night, morning, and evening all make one. That's the word Ehad. It means unity, unit, a collection, right?
You can't touch my soul. On the wings of mercy, I'm steady, I'm whole. Shadow of the most high. City lights, the moonlight. No fear in my step. Angels on my side. Twins, we